Hi, my name is Daniel Yuck. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. In today's video, I want to dive into a review and take a close-up look with you all at the Mast UV Sterilization Box. By the end of this video, you'll know how this operates and you'll know what to expect on your end. I will also leave my affiliate links for you in the description below so you can check out this UV Sterilization Box on your end. Should you have any questions, I encourage you, drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring my bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight on into this. Here is a close-up view of the Mast UV Sterilization Box. I'm also going to switch on over to some keyframes, sharing some more details with you all. Let's take a look at what's inside the UV box. Upon opening the box, we're greeted with what looks to be a power cable. And here we have, if I'm correct, the tattoo machine prongs. These are what we're going to use to hold our tattoo machines in place to sterilize our gear. If you notice, we have different sizes here. So we have machines that are going to fit from this size all the way on up, all the way down to that size. So larger, smaller tattoo machines, which is fantastic. These are also easy to install. We just place this part right here into right here. Just clip them in there like so, and then you're on your way. It's that simple. Take them out, repeat that process in reverse. This is the UV sterilization box close up. Here we have some UV lights, as well as some more right here. Let me give you a full 360 look at the box here. Side profile and the back. This is where the power cable goes. That right there is the UV sterilization box. I have the UV sterilization box plugged in. As you can see, it reads off. I actually like that it tells me what state it's in. I'm going to open up the box. I have the Dragonhawk X8 tattoo machine right here. What I'm going to do is just simply place it in there like so. I'm going to close the hood. From here, I'm going to simply hit on and allow the box to do its thing from here. I'm going to let this cycle count all the way down. While that's doing that, I'm going to remove this top part right here. We've reached the end of the sterilization cycle. Let's take a look at what's going on in here. You can see there is no damage done to the tattoo machine. There's no heat or any weird odors, nothing like that. Nothing going on here. It's actually a very swift and easy sterilization process. Me personally, what I would do is every time I'm done using the machine, what I would do is break it down, take off the grip, wipe the grip down with, let's say, some opticide wipes, and I would wipe down the entire machine, which is a cold sterilization. I would personally do that after I cold sterilize everything, wipe everything down to the best of my ability. I would then place it in here. Keep in mind, we can do this process a couple to a few times. We don't have to just do it once. If you're not sure, you can place your machine down like this, for example, and then you can run another cycle, flipping it upside down, and you can repeat that until you are satisfied with your sterilization process. According to the details on the website, this Mast UV sterilization box does have a 99.99% germicidal rate. That is a very good thing for tattoo artists. This is something that I feel every single tattoo artist should have for their setups. Not only that, I feel that if we remove these prongs right here, for example, we can put down some coils possibly. You get the idea. I don't really feel like it's kind of limited to just pen style tattoo machines. We may even be able to put another tattoo machine over here on this side, but I would personally keep it within the light sensor range, leaving the machine right here. However, it is possible to put something right here as well to sterilize, to my understanding. I want to take some time and share some important details about the Mast UV sterilization box with you. comes to the claims of their performance, when it comes to the overall concept of this tool right here, I am definitely in favor of different methods and ways that we can go about sterilizing our gear. I am always in favor of better practices, and for that I'm going to recommend this unit right here easily to any and every tattoo artist. According to the claims and the ease of use here, it is simply open it up, place my machine down, close the lid, press on. That is as easy as it gets, I feel, when it comes to sterilizing. Keep in mind, I'm a little bit picky and I like to go above and beyond. So what I like to do is cold sterilize and wipe down my machine before I enter them in here. Wipe them down, let them air dry, and then proceed to UV sterilize is my process. However, having this unit right here and having that extra layer of a sterilization process, I feel, is everything. What this little unit can do for me as a tattoo artist, what it is and how easy it is to operate are the reasons why I'm gonna recommend this unit to any and every tattoo artist, is the very reason why I give it 5 stars. The simple fact that I can use this unit right here to sterilize my gear to create a safer tattooing work environment for me is everything. On top of that, I can do the dual layers where I either use an autoclave or cold sterilization. I wipe my gear all the way down and then I run it through the UV sterilization process. Having those 2 layers for me is everything. I'm very big on safe tattooing. This little unit right here, it does offer me that. I will break down UV sterilization in another video so that way we can really understand UV sterilization inside and out, and maybe these units will make a bit more sense to those that may not fully understand. However, if you have any questions, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please ring my bell, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support over there as well. I thank you for your time. I appreciate your support. You have a great day.